Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, what you need to check now, okay, what you need to check specifically if you have problems with the alternator, okay, not charging, as a result you guys have a dead battery. Now the first thing guys, okay, that you will need to do, you need to check one fuse that's for the battery monitor sensor, the alternator regulator as well. Where it's located, that fuse is in the trunk. Open the trunk, leave the carpet liner up, underneath you have the spare tire, that's a car battery next to it. Behind it you have a fuse box. That's what it looks like, that fuse box guys. Press the tabs together, pull the cover up, and you're going to find underneath a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys we have one fuse that's known as a voltage regulator and battery monitor sensor fuse. If you come in that row of fuses, you count on this side. Now let's zoom in. That's 38, 37, 36, 35. That 5 amp fuse, that's the one that you will guys need to check. Next, what else you need to check? Okay, I want to show you something here guys. On the front of the engine, the alternator is driven by the serpentine belt. If the belt comes off, the alternator will not charge. As a result, the battery will die, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you keep driving, eventually the car will die and you may get in an accident. Now another thing, when the belt comes off, the water pump will not be driven, and as a result the engine may start overheating and you may destroy the engine as well. So stop the vehicle, never put your fingers around the belt because it can break, take them off, cut them off practically, but check the belt with engine completely turned off and make sure that the belt is not loose, the tensioner is good, and the belt didn't break or fall off. Another thing guys, okay, that we see quite often is actually a bad alternator, and you need to guys, okay, you need to test the alternator, see if it's working. After that we'll recommend to check guys, okay, right here on the battery you have the battery monitor sensor. It could be a bad battery monitor sensor causing the alternator in some cases not to work correctly too, but those are the most common things we see here at the garage. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones, put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.